Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can install a theme on Shopify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on shopify.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, as you can see guys, you're going to find all these sections. Here you're going to find the home section, orders, products, customers. Here you're going to find content, analytics, marketing, and discount. Here you're going to find online store and also point of sale. So right now, in order to install a theme on Shopify, first of all, click on online store. And then here under you're going to find themes, blog posts, pages, navigation, and preferences. Click on themes. Then here you're going to find your current theme. And if you scroll a little bit down, here you're going to find your theme library. Here, as you can see, guys, you can design your store with AI. And if you scroll a little bit down, here you're going to find some popular free themes that you can choose from. And if you go here to the bottom, as you can see, guys, you're going to be able to visit the theme store. So if you click on visit theme store, this will take you to this page right here. And here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find all the available themes for Shopify. Here you're going to find the paid themes. And if you want only the free themes, just click here on free. And then right here, you're going to find all of the free options. If you want to add a theme, just go ahead and give it a click. And after that, click on try theme. Once you do that, just wait for it to add to your store. Then it will be added here to your theme library. And once it's added, you can publish it by clicking on publish right here. Click again on publish right here. And as you can see, guys, this is how you can switch your theme. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.